Today we're going to take a look at how to change your AVI files into MP4. You'll want to do this on your Mac because you can't open AVI files. You'll get this error. So we can use WALTR PRO. This app is really awesome. It's simple to use. You just drag and drop and it'll convert for you. There you see I dragged my AVI file in, and on the top right of this video you can see the MP4 file being created. It's really this easy. And you'll notice this is on my desktop, and you can change that down in the settings, bottom right, hit files, and press on browse. You get to choose where you want to put it. And there you go. It's done. Converted. You even have show in Finder in case you forgot where you chose to put it. There, you can see that it plays, it has audio, all of it. Now, where do you get WALTR PRO? It's by these guys called Softorino. They're really awesome and they create a whole bunch of products. WALTR PRO is the one we just saw. You can head over to Softorino under products, find WALTR PRO. There's the download button and it's really cheap. Alternatively, if you like the rest of their products, you'll want the universal license. Here you get everything, all the Mac and Windows ones. I really like Folder Colorizer for Mac. You can see it in use right over here. That's really awesome. iRing is awesome if you want a custom ringtone on your iPhone. Sick2 is sick. And there's just so much more coming out really soon. So why wouldn't you want this? The developers of Softorino are in Ukraine at the moment, and we could all show support. On their website, they have a Learn How button. By clicking it, you can take steps towards helping. Thank you for watching. I hope you like these products and this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.